welcome back to my channel. It's Christina, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about workout do's and don'ts. So what to do and what not to do with working out. So I have about 10 of them, 10 do's or don'ts, and I'm just going to give them to you guys. If you guys are doing some of these that you shouldn't be doing, maybe correct it, and if you're not doing what you should be doing, correct that also and start doing it. So let's get into the video. Number one is do have a plan. It's always important to have a plan in place when working out, and I've said this 100 million times, and you'll hear it a million more times. Have a plan in place, and know exactly what you're doing it and on what day you're doing it and how you're doing it, and have a plan in place. Are you going to work out at the gym? Are you going to work out at home? Where are you going to work out? Have a plan. If you have a plan, it's so much easier to know what you're doing and not like flail around at the gym and like not know how many reps you're doing or not knowing what workouts to do. If you have a plan in place, especially if you go along with an app like the Move app that already has a plan made for you, it takes out the guesswork. It takes out all the extra work that you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how to do it. It takes all that out, and it actually helps you have a more productive workout, which is so nice. Having a plan. I have done a workout before that I didn't really plan out, and it was kind of my own like made up workout, and it was like off a whim. And quite honestly, that workout wasn't that beneficial. I felt like I didn't get much out of it. So if you have a plan in place, it's so much easier. You get more out of the workout, you get the benefit of the workout, and it's just so much better than if you don't have a plan at all and you just kind of wing it. Winging workouts doesn't work very often. It can sometimes work, but more than not, it's not going to work, and you're going to feel like you didn't get anything out of that workout. And maybe you're at the gym for 3-4 hours when you could have been there 45 minutes, done the workout, and left. So have a plan in place and go by that plan every single workout, but different by movements, obviously, or different by parts, obviously, but have that plan, have that set plan, whether that's using an app, maybe that's a trainer, or just any type of plan. Have a workout plan in place. Number two is do listen to your body. So listen to your body. If your body is telling you it's too sore and you're gonna get hurt if you work out, then take an off day and don't work out. Just take the day off, don't work out, and just listen to what your body needs. So if it needs to take the day off, take the day off. If your body needs more protein because you don't eat much protein, eat more protein. If your body needs more water, drink more water. Listen to your body. Your body will tell you what it needs. Like if you feel hydrated, that's your body telling you that you need water. If your body is sore, that's literally your body's way of saying, okay, I'm really sore. Maybe I should take the day off. Maybe I shouldn't work out. Maybe I should just stretch instead. So listen to your body. Listen to the cues that it gives you. Just like hunger cues, your body gives you a cue for everything. And if your body's giving you a hunger cue, go ahead and eat something. Eat some protein or eat some fruits and vegetables or whatever your body needs. Just listen to your body. That is the most important thing with working out. If you ignore those signs, it's very easy to get hurt. And I don't want you guys to feel like you're going to get hurt if you work out. So listen to your body, listen to those signs of maybe like taking a rest day or stretching more, or if you feel like you're not warmed up enough, warm up some more. Just listen to those signs of your body telling you what it needs, and you'll know. You know your body and you'll know what you need, rather than not listening to it and getting hurt. Don't do that. Listen to your body. Listen to your body, because it will tell you what it needs. You'll know exactly what you need, so just listen to it. That's the bottom line. And sometimes we think like our mind is like, oh, you don't need to listen to that sign. Oh, you can just go ahead and work out. And then you end up getting hurt. So listen to your body so you don't get hurt. That's the end goal of not getting hurt. And if you don't listen to your body, you're likely to get hurt. So just listen to it, and then more than likely you're not going to get hurt, and you're going to have a good workout. You're going to have a good rest day. Your body is going to not be in pain. Your body isn't going to be as sore, and you're going to listen and take care of your body, which is so beneficial in the long run. Like your future self, if you take care of your body now, will thank you 20 years down the road because you're taking care of your body now. So make sure you're taking care of your body now, so that in 20, 30 years, or even tomorrow, your body will thank you and be like, thank you for not doing and overdoing and injuring me. So make sure you're listening to your body. Number 3 is do set realistic goals. So I love the ambitious goals, the goals that are like, yes, I can do this, I know I can. And like, it may be the most ambitious goal that you have. Maybe that's doing 1,000 push-ups in under a minute. That's a great goal. That's an awesome goal if you want to try that. But have realistic goals. Maybe that's doing 10 push-ups in under a minute. Maybe that's go for a jog for 15 minutes a day. Maybe that's go for a walk for 30 minutes a day. Maybe that's just these small realistic goals that will set to the bigger goals and the more outlandish, like really huge goals. But you have to start off with the small realistic goals in order to get to this big like goal. Maybe that's climbing Mount Everest or Mount Fuji or something. Just start with the little goals and then work up to the larger goals. That will help just with your mindset and like being ready to work out, and it will make working out more fun if you set goals for yourself, because you want to set goals that you can hit and that you know that you can hit, so that you feel that confidence in yourself. You feel very confident in yourself and you are ready to go and eager to go. If you do the big goals all the time that you know that you're probably not going to hit right away, that can get very discouraging. So if you have the bigger or the smaller, more realistic goals that you can hit, that will boost your just courage to try the bigger goals, because you know that you can hit the smaller goals. Number 4 is do take a rest day. So have 1 to 2 rest days a week. That is so important for our body, to have a rest day and to get that rest so that we don't injure ourselves and that we can get the most out of our workouts if we take a rest day. So I recommend taking 1 to 2 rest days a week, depending on what your body needs. And that's another thing of like listening to your body. If it needs rest, take an extra rest day, but definitely take 1 rest day, if not 2. So just listen to your body, and your body will tell you how much rest it needs. So take 1 to 2 rest days a week though. Number 5 is do warm up. Don't just go gung-ho into a workout and be like, oh, I can do this workout, I don't need to warm up. That can lead to injury, and that is not what we want. We want to go into our workout and complete our workout without getting injured. So the most important thing to do is warm up. Do some calisthenics, do maybe some jumping jacks, go for a light jog, stretch, maybe that's doing a few push-ups. Just warm up our body. Make sure your body is warmed up so that when you do work out, you're not going to be injured. You're actually going to go through the workout without getting injured, and it's going to feel good instead of feeling horrible. So make sure you are warming up. I have done it before where I'm like, oh, I don't need to warm up, I don't need to stretch, I don't need to do anything, and then I end up getting hurt. So make sure you warm up your body. It is so beneficial and so important to warm up your body. So make sure you're warming up your body, because if you don't, you are likely to get hurt. Number 6 is don't give up. Don't give up when it seems like things are getting hard and it seems like the workout is so hard and you just can't do it. Don't give up. Keep going. Keep pushing. Even on days that it gets hard, Don't give up. Know that you can do it and you will do it. And if it takes you more time than it takes someone else, so be it. This is your journey. This is not their journey. This is not anyone else's journey. This is your journey. Take the time that you need and don't give up. If it takes you a little extra time to do something, that is okay. You will get there eventually, but don't give up. Don't throw in the towel and be like, oh, I can't do this. I'll never be able to do this. Just set those smaller goals. Keep going with those smaller goals. Don't give up, and you will reach your bigger goals, and you'll reach your fitness potential. You just have to take it sometimes step by step and just baby steps, and you will get there. Don't work out randomly. Random workouts just don't work. If you work out this day and then you don't work out for another 2 weeks, and then you don't work out for another week here, and then you don't work out for a week here, and if you do that, you won't see results like you would if you stay consistent. If you can stay consistent and work out between 3 to 4 days to 5 to 6 days a week, if you do that, you will see more results a lot quicker than if you just did like popcorn workouts. Like, here's one, do one this day, don't do another for 2 weeks, and then I'll work out again. If you stay consistent, you'll see results. If you don't stay consistent, then you won't see results like you would if you do. So stay consistent. Don't do random like workouts like, here I'll do a workout this day, this day, and this day. It just doesn't work out very well that way. So make sure you are doing workouts consistently. Consistency. I want to stress that to you guys, consistency is key when working out. Number 8 is don't expect results overnight. If you just start working out today, you're not going to have these jacked up muscles and like these toned muscles by tomorrow. It takes time, but don't give up. That's the thing, don't give up. But also don't expect it overnight. Like, if you start working out one day, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to start seeing results. So if you're on like week 2 or 3 and you're still not seeing results and you're getting frustrated, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to actually see results. So don't expect it overnight. Don't think like you start out working out one day and it only takes like a week to start seeing results, because that's not the case. You'll start seeing results in 6 to 8 weeks. Don't think that you're going to just see results like the next day. That doesn't happen. Number 9 is don't wait to get started. We all have excuses of why we can't work out and why we don't have the time to do it, why we don't do it, why we are just so busy that we have 0 time to put into it. Don't make those excuses. Just get started. Don't wait. Get started today. Even if it's for 5 minutes, it doesn't matter. Work out for 5 minutes. If you have 5 minutes to move your body, that's great. Maybe that's 5 minutes before you go to bed. Maybe that's 5 minutes of your morning. Whatever it is, work out, even if it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30, 45 minutes, an hour, however much time that you have, but don't make the excuse that you don't have enough time to get started. Just get started. That is the hardest part, but once you get started, you are going to be so glad that you did, and then you'll have the workout bug of like, you want to work out, you want to do it, you want to do it all the time. So work out and just start. Just get started. It doesn't matter if you have all the right equipment, you have your body, you can do body weight workouts. Just get started. That is the hardest part, but it's the most important part, is just get started. And the last one is don't compare yourself. Don't compare yourself to other people and maybe what they look like and what their journey is looking like, and like they can lift more weight than you, or they're got more muscle than you, or they, whatever the case may be, they're better at doing something at the gym than you are. Don't compare yourself. Let people that are better than you push you to be who you want to be, and push you to what your goals that you have. If you want to have a goal that they have and you aren't there yet but they are, let them push you. Don't let that discourage you. Let that push you to get to where you want to go. Don't let that be like a setback to you. Let that push you. And don't compare yourself to someone else. Your journey is your journey. Their journey is their journey, and don't compare yourself to other people. You are your own person and you will get there, but don't compare yourself. It's so easy to compare ourselves, but you don't need to, and that is the worst place to be. So don't compare yourself. Push yourself in your own journey of being the best version that you can be, not what someone else is right now. Don't compare yourself, just go at your own pace and you will get there, even if it takes more time. And I know I just went on a soapbox, but I'm so passionate about it because I was there. I was in your place of comparing, but I'm not anymore because I realized that my journey is my journey and I'll get there when I get there, maybe not when someone else gets there, but I have been there, so I get it. I get that it's so easy to go into that comparing mindset, but it is a dangerous place to be, and it's a bad place to be, and it's a frustrating place to be, so don't be in that place. Your journey is your journey, and I promise you will get there. It just may not be when someone else gets there. Be patient with yourself, and I promise you will get there. So I hope you guys liked this video. That was really fun to film. If you did like this video and you want more just like it, give this video a thumbs up. Comment any other videos you'd like to see. Fitness workouts, maybe that's more challenge workouts, maybe that's some workout vlogs or anything like that. Just literally anything. Put some suggestions in the comments and I will be happy to get some of those videos out for you guys. So, and make sure to comment something that you love about working out in the comments. And I'll shout you guys out. I'll pick someone randomly and shout you out. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.